Planning kitchen design within budget. If you are thinking of redesigning your current kitchen or are putting a new kitchen in a new property, then the planning and kitchen design stage are critically important. If you want to bring in the kitchen on budget, then thinking through the process and finding the right resources will be key to success. Luxury kitchens can be achieved on a smaller budget if you have the right know-how. Modern kitchens really are more than just somewhere to cook food. They have become central points of the house, a place to meet and talk, and a place to create wonderful food to enjoy with friends and family. So now is the time to really create something special. There are many ways to go about designing your kitchen, and you can choose something off the plan or an architect's design. You may not really know exactly what you want, but you do have an idea of the style you like and what your budget is. This is where you now need to do some planning and start to define your likes and dislikes. If your kitchen is an unusual shape, or particularly large or small, then there may be some unique design elements to consider.